Hey guys, welcome back. It's boy Mike, and today I am going to take another look at my ECU, the Jet Performance chip. I had a viewer hit me up and say, hey bro, you put it in wrong. So I'm gonna take a look at it and I'm gonna see if I didn't really see if there was a right or wrong way of how it's supposed to be, if it's supposed to be flipped around or whatever. So I'm gonna take a look and see what's up with it. So I'm gonna go ahead, pull it out, and yeah, we'll take a look at it. All right, so I got most of the stuff already off. Just gotta put this on there. Good to go. She is good to go. A couple more turns, she would have been good to go. Couple more turns, she would have been. Dang. She didn't want to come out today. Alright. So now you just go in here, wiggle this thing out. Sorry, it's kind of hard to do it with one hand. So here we are. And he said that this is put in the wrong way. It should be flipped around the other way. Now, from what I can see, I don't know. So I'm gonna unhook it and then flip it around and see what's up. All right guys, so I took it apart, took it out. I didn't see nothing that says it needed to be in a certain way. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead, put that back in there. I'm gonna put this back in there because I didn't see anything that was like, oh yeah, it should be in this way. So yeah,